let's hear thoughts on Nigeria's partnership with BRICS, especially the key areas. What are the key areas you think Nigeria should prioritize in its engagement with BRICS?
Excuse me. Good morning. Thank you so much for having me this morning. And warm greetings from the Bashir Adeni Center for International Trade and Investment here in NIIA, here in Lagos. It's an honor to be here. So this Nigeria's partnership with BRICS Plus, can be transformative. While I will acknowledge the optimism and the skepticism of the partnership and the opinions about how belated it is, which is true and is correct, now that it has happened at this time, it can be transformative for Nigeria, especially has been mentioned already by the ambassador that the fact that Nigeria is on an investment drive. I think this is a wonderful opportunity for Nigeria to ramp up that drive, ramp up the numbers by way of investment. So the potential, and I call it potential benefits because there are potential benefits, there are potential challenges, but I want to see the transformative nature of it, that a partnership with the BRICS nation, with China, with India, Brazil, Russia, South Africa too, can strengthen, improve trade, ramp up our trade numbers. Why trade? Because currently, for example, South Africa's trade with within the BRICS conglomerates, just the 5 of them, is about it's close to 25% of their total trade, just within the BRICS country, the 5 founding BRICS country. That's about 20, as I'm using 2022 data, that's about 20, close to 25% of South Africa's total trade, and it's a trade surplus actually. So it can be transformative for Nigeria if Nigeria has the opportunity to actually do this correctly. And I say do this correctly because Nigeria has to engage by having, this is to answer your question, by having or developing a specific BRICS engagement strategy. What is our strategy to engage with BRICS so that this is beneficial for us and not otherwise? It can be beneficial for us by improving trade and thereby economic growth, increasing the growth rate of our economy, the potential for infrastructure development for Nigeria, the potential for industrialization. If we engage strategically, properly, if we lay out specifically what we want to get out of this partnership, if we're focusing on trade, for example, that means we have to draw up effective trade agreements that benefit us. Okay, we have to drop effective great trade agreements. If it's an investment drive, if it's an infrastructure drive, it's an investment drive, that means that we have to put reforms out there that actually attract sustainable investments. So I think that for us to engage effectively, we must come up with an engagement strategy, an engagement plan, and government must actually properly put set the groundwork to benefit and not otherwise. So yes, there's a lot to benefit, but we have to draw out an engagement plan that prioritizes national interests, that prioritizes reducing or having sustainable debt levels, for example.